So today is new car day. I'm picking up my brand new BMW 3 Series from Berry BMW here in Chiswick. So what we're going to do, we're going to go in, speak to the guy and pick up the car. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Look at that. My brand new BMW 3 Series. We'll see a little bit more about it in just a sec. Fucking hell, it's nice. I'm gonna head indoors now, chat with my sales guy, get this car on the road. I'm so excited. Got the keys.
Time to sign your life away, my friend. This is basically here, it's just saying that you've arranged your own motor insurance, effectively.
Yeah.
We wouldn't have to worry about it.
So the paperwork is signed, we're getting ever closer to driving away the car. We haven't come up with a name of it yet, but got the keys. Oh, there's still the plastic on it. This is lovely. This is really nice.
Approve?
Yes.
Happy?
I'm very happy, my friend. Mate, thank you so much.
Very
really
welcome.
Appreciate
Congrats
it.
on your new car. Everyone, congratulations, and have a safe drive home.
Thank you very much.
And then let's catch up if you've got any questions to ask. All right?
I will do.
All the best there. Enjoy.
Thank you. Oh, it's lovely in here. Hello there.
Yeah, hi.
Here I am sitting in. It's got 15 miles on the clock. It is so nice. Oh, look at that. Right, I'm gonna start it up.
Whoa.
All right then. Hop in, guys. Let's go for a drive. Right, so unlock, into drive. Off we go. Woo. Away we go. Oh. Oh, nice little push on it. Gets the light. Not a problem in this car. Sport. It's 40 miles an hour, so I can only push it to 40. Well, the first drive is uneventful. It's just a nice little journey back home. So it's now the evening of the next day. I've done a few hundred miles in the car. I really am enjoying it. Collecting this car was such a fun thing to do. As you can see, I was really excited. I've done a first impressions video. I'll play a little clip now. What does the M Sport Plus package give it? It gives it this lovely black trim around the grille. You've got these amazing looking 19-inch alloys, which just really bring the whole look of the car out. A bit of M badging on it. And if you come round to the back, I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know your thoughts on the 3 Series. Make sure you leave a comment, like and subscribe.
Did you guys get a coffee? Tea, coffee? Did you have one already?
We did indeed.
Brilliant. Get one to go as well. We're going to go a long way. Get one to go. You'll enjoy that.
Am I allowed to hot drink in your car? I have a lid on it.
No. No, of course not.
I thought you were serious.
I thought so. Call him out from Ken. Wouldn't even let him have coffee. Right.